Welcome to Dirt Road Grill and Barbecue. Just good fire, good smoke, and food done true. I'm Tim Dirt Road Demon, if you know the name. With my brother Jason, we run this flame. We keep it simple, take it slow. Let the smoke and the flavor do the show. So grab you a seat, grab you a plate, kick back a while, y'all gonna eat great. Ain't nothing fancy, just the way we were raised. Cast iron, open flame, and we smoke for days. You'll see us try to mess it up, then get it right. Learning as we go, just chasing that perfect bite. From slow smoke meats to a skillet on the stove. If it's worth cooking, we're giving it a go. Some of it's simple, some of it takes time, but good food's worth it every single time. So whether you're cooking or just along for the ride, there's always room for you right here by our side.
Hey guys, it's Texas Lace. Don't mind the voice, I'm getting over laryngitis. Today is lasagna day. So mine's a pretty quick homemade lasagna. So first you're going to heat up your pan. I always add a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna brown up 1 pound of Italian sausage and 1 pound of ground beef longhorn. Okay, while your hamburger meat and Italian seasoning sausage are browning, I went ahead and diced up 1 whole medium onion. And then in my food processor, I have 1 can of whole tomatoes. It's a 28-ounce can. And then I have 1 whole 15-ounce can of just tomato sauce. To my mixture of tomatoes and tomato sauce, I'm going to add 4 garlic cubes. And we're going to mix all that up. Okay, mash up all your meat, get it well incorporated, and then we're gonna add in, by the way, if you don't have one of these, this thing is amazing. It'll just mash up your meat for you. Such a good investment. So, you're gonna add in your whole onion to your sausage and your hamburger meat. And you are gonna cook all of this until it is completely done and your onion is sauteed. It already smells amazing. Okay, we got our hamburger meat and sausage all ground up, good and brown. There will be some grease. That's okay. A good gravy for a lasagna should have a little bit of grease in it. So now I'm going to pour in your tomato sauce and your whole tomatoes. Get all of that in there. Give that a quick stir. Now, I don't really measure this, but I would say I use anywhere between 3 to 4 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. We'll start out with 3. So you're gonna put this on low. And you're gonna let this just simmer for at least 2 hours, 3 hours. Let it all come together. All right, we're gonna put this down on low and we'll be back in a little bit. Okay, we're back. See, the sauce is all red and bubbly. It's reduced some. It's definitely ready to go. So we're gonna use the H-E-B oven ready lasagna noodles. I just like these. It's just quicker and easier. I am going to add 1 container, 15 ounces of whole milk ricotta to my sauce. and mix that in. You can add it in the layers if you want. I just prefer to add it in the sauce. Give this a stir. Yes. Of course, give it a taste. Make sure it doesn't need anything. It tastes pretty spot on to me. If you think it needs more garlic, add more garlic. If you want more Italian seasoning, you can add more Italian seasoning. It's whatever your palate wants. I am using a 9x13 foil pan. I don't have time for dishes during the week. This is just easier, less cleanup. So, add your noodles to the bottom. There you go. And we're gonna give our sauce just one more good mix. Then you're just gonna take and you're going to put a layer of sauce down. Okay, once you have your sauce down, I like to take a little bit of Parmesan and sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan on there. Then you're gonna come back with some shredded mozzarella cheese. You're just gonna cover it up. Okay, we're just gonna go back in and do a second layer. Okay, we've got this all layered up. I put it on a sheet pan just in case. Sometimes it likes to bubble over. It's gonna go in a 375-degree oven for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, you're gonna pull it out. You're gonna cover it up and wrap it with foil. And you're gonna bake it for another 15 minutes. And then I will bring you back and show you what the end product looks like. Okay guys, we're back. We just took it out of the oven. It's been there for about an hour. Look at that. Look how beautiful and golden that is. We're just gonna cut this corner right here. Look at that. All those yummy layers. Yes. Okay, let's get a bite. So yummy. Alright guys, that's it. Homemade lasagna, super simple, easy to make. Hope you guys enjoy. See you later. Bye.